Hi guys, my name is Christina and I am happy that I find this product what I want to introduce for you, which is reduce waste. So check this out. Guess what it is? This is a laundry detergent. So I am so happy to find this because if you're really thinking about you buying this jug once, I don't know how often people do laundry. I have a lot of clothes, so I don't do laundry that often, but just think about it, how many you buy and how many people buys them, and then after these need to be recycled or upcycled. But actually plastic is not very good to upcycle, so it would be better if we could just eliminate this. So that's when I am happy with this laundry detergent. It has like strips, and then you just tear one up and put it in the laundry. And we're going to do laundry, but the only thing what I didn't like that it came with this packaging. So I ordered it from Amazon, and so this envelope, I have bubble wraps in it and paper. This is count as garbage, and it goes into the garbage. However, so another company who I bought from, who is into zero waste free products, and he packaged, I ordered it from Amazon, and he packaged in a paper envelope. So I'm thinking, if the product is zero waste free, the packaging is have to be zero waste free too. So maybe this laundry detergent with this envelope, a paper envelope, because you can upcycle or recycle paper, so, and make other stuff out of it. But I'm definitely thinking the paper packaging would be a lot better than what it came with. So I think that's the only thing what I didn't like about it. Yeah, so I just wanted to talk about the price. So this was $20. I ordered that from Amazon, and I thought that was a little bit too much. 32 loads. I guess Tide maybe more expensive, but I don't know. I had this one. I didn't really look at the brand or anything, but I'm pretty sure this was not $20. So I think the price is a little bit more expensive for this, $20, and people do look at the price. How much can I lower my grocery bills if I buy this, or I buy a $20 laundry detergent? So I wanted to buy it. This has 32 loads. I thought this is enough for me for a long time actually, and I wanted to try it out. So this way I am not going to have that big luggage of laundry detergent. So another thing what I wanted to talk about, that the fragrance, it is so strong that I actually kept this. I didn't even open that yet, and I kept it in the envelope which is came in with the packaging envelope. I didn't throw it out, and I kept it in that because the fragrance is so strong. It's like the whole bathroom is smell like that. So I wish I didn't buy. It had two different options. It had one with the fragrance or no fragrance, but I wish I would have got the one which doesn't have, because this one is very strong. So yeah, let's open it. Let's open it. Yeah. So this is, I have 2 buckets just like this. And then we can strip in half. And I guess this is 1 load of laundry detergent. Wow, that's crazy, isn't it? So I'm going to make 2 loads, bed sheets and clothes and stuff. So let's do laundry. Another benefit that I don't have to carry this jug of laundry detergent because I was just able to put it in my pocket. Yeah, we have to go to the basement to the laundry. I hate carrying my stuff across the apartment building, but anyway, let's do laundry. Okay, so now I am in the laundry, but I'm going to use this one, and then let's try this out. I already put the water in it. I'm going to put the detergent and then the clothes. I'm going to use this one. Pour water in the hot water. Is it melting? I don't know. Alright. It's not really melting. So here is the laundry, and usually the water when I do laundry and I put like regular laundry detergent in it, it's soapy and bubbles, and this doesn't have any color. It looks like just water and the clothes. Is that right? Is this supposed to be like this? I guess. Okay, so the laundry is done. I mean, the washing is done. So it doesn't have a strong smell whatsoever. And it looks clean. I have a cat now, so I have cat hair on my bed sheet. But looks fine. Okay. So it got dark a little bit. Ultimately, I just wanted to say that I think it was a little bit weird that I put those strip of laundry detergent in the water. And then the water, when I looked into it, it was just water and clothes, and somehow I was missing the bubbles. Like when I put laundry detergent into the washer, that's like bubbly and looks like it's washing or something. This looked like more like water and clothes. But when I took out the clothes, they looked clean. It absolutely had no fragrance smell to it, so it was like sense any smell to it. And yeah, it is different. I was missing the bubbles. Anyway, this is zero waste free for you, and check it out for yourself. So thank you for watching my video, and please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.